Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop. Today I'm here to share another gorgeous fabric collection that I got in for spring, summer 2026. I picked up 7 prints in this line. They are 100% cotton, 44 inches wide, quilter's weight. I plan to use them for some home goods, but yeah, they'll be beautiful for quilts. There are even a couple prints in here that I personally would sew up into a blouse and even a dress. Okay, friends, so this fabric collection is called In Full Bloom. And like I said, I picked up 7 prints from the collection. I plan to mix and match them to make some home good items for my handmade shop for spring and summer. This particular print is called Enchanted Forest. The colorway is green, and it features just lovely stems and branches along with some beautiful hummingbirds. It has a little bit of, and just birds. I don't know if they're hummingbirds, they're birds. And just beautiful. I love this pop of lavender in the background. I love the way this print is layered. The background is a soft off-white. These are printed cotton fabrics, 44 inches wide, 100% cotton. And yeah. And so, yeah, they're going to be perfect for the home goods that I plan to make. And I'm thinking about even doing a quilt with this. We'll see. The second print is called Butterscotch Chintz. And it's just a sweet all over floral. These, the patterns, I would say that it runs in this direction, but technically you can carry it the other way too, because these are flipped upside down. So it's not a true directional print like the previous print. And the colorway on this is also butterscotch. It's a soft off-white background. And again, I love how the pattern is layered and almost looks like a brick wall in the background, very subtle. With these different kinds of flowers all over. Next up, we have Moonlit Canopy. The colorway is Sea Glass, and it's just a beautiful blue and green and white fabric. Again, just lovely. And kind of an old-fashioned charm to it. Really like it. Our fourth print is another favorite because I love roses. This is called Rose Garden in Blush. Very straightforward name. Beautiful roses scattered over a blush pink background. It has a little purple in there, some green, some yellow, some orange. Really pretty. The fifth print is called Wildflower Tapestry, and it's also in blush. So you can see it's the same background as the Rose Garden print. This one has smaller, more densely printed floral designs, has a pop of the navy blue in there to tie into some of the other prints. And yeah, just really, really sweet. Our sixth print is called Lemonade Lilies. The colorway is also Sea Glass. And I'm going to put a link in the description box or here in the iCard to my gardening channel. I recently went to a garden show in Wisconsin hosted by PBS. And I met some wonderful ladies that are a part of a lily organization. And I got some lily seeds from them. I went to another garden show. I haven't put that video out on the garden channel yet, but I also bought some more lilies. And so, yeah, I'm really excited to share my lily collection on the gardening channel this summer. But this print just reminded me of that because, again, it's featuring beautiful lilies. And our seventh and final print in this collection is called Amber Bouquet. The colorway is Royal, and this features roses and dahlias and, yeah, looks like some little dianthus, phlox, and beautiful flowers, peonies. And yeah, I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is one I know is bright and it's bold, but I would totally make a shirt, and I would probably even make a dress out of this fabric, especially for summer, wearing in the garden, filming a video. I love a bold print on a dark background. This is like a really dark navy blue, almost black in there. I don't typically do a lot of orange, but I don't know. This makes me happy. Maybe it's because we're still, even though it's March, it's still winter temperatures outside here in Minnesota. This just makes me happy. It's like sunshine on the table. So anyway, I will share with you in the future video what I have made with these fabrics. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed having a peek at this collection. I look forward to sharing with you in an upcoming video what exactly I made using them. And as always, I will link to the Etsy shop in the description box as well as in the iCards in case you want to pop over and have a look at these prints. Perhaps you want to add them to your fabric collection and make something up with them. And yeah, I'll see you back here again soon with another collection or a tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you know somebody who loves fabric, share it with them. I thank you for your support. I'll see you soon. Bye.